What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering Paper Animator, and this website allows you to turn any photo into a paper animated graphics in just a matter of seconds. So it's a very minimalistic website, and it just has two options: to launch the app and to pay for the pricing. I just like the simplicity and the straightforwardness of this tool. But what does this allow us to do concretely? You can remove the background and fully customize your image to turn it into this paper animation. You can have this paper cut out effects. You can have the paper fold out animation like you can see here. You can have the magazine letters which are showing, and you can have this cool animation effect that I'm sure you've already seen maybe on TikTok or in some movies. I remember seeing this animation in some movies. So it's a text match out, cut out. And you can have equally some other animations that as well are present on there. And so how does this tool work? Let's go ahead and check it out. So once you launch the app, it's going to take you to an interface like this one, and you have just these three buttons here. For example, this is an animation I generated. So I just went with a simple text, you already know, and then it generated 10 frames. And so if we play with that, you can see how it shows up just there, and it includes the sound. You can equally go ahead and customize everything on there. You can equally export it in different formats. So straight away, you see there are a lot of limitations as to what you can do with these. They want you to go ahead and pay for the price. And so you can equally recreate it as well. If you don't like what came out, we can choose to recreate it and see how it looks like differently. And so we can go ahead and try out something else again. You have this interface where you can put in the text you want to put in, and then you generate the animation. They equally added this other one, Motion Labs, which comes with different other animations that you can provide. So you go ahead and choose the animation you want to go with. Let's kind of go with something like this. Then we go ahead and put the text in here, and then we go ahead and render the video. You choose the format, you choose the resolution, and you go ahead and render the video. So let's look at what it's going to look like. Let's check out what it's going to look like. So you can see it's pretty fast. I think the rendering goes really fast, and then now our text is ready, and we can see basically it's just one frame that came out. You already know. I think we had to add more. What I am about. All right, so the free limits itself to 3 frames, but nevertheless it's good enough just to explore the tool. So we're going to check it out. So you go ahead and render. I see I have one free render available. Interesting. So if you go ahead and play, so that went really fast. So I mean, just the free version here doesn't really give you a lot to work with, but I mean, you get the idea, Paper Animator. So let's just conclude with checking out how much this tool costs to use. I mean, the full tool. So you can go ahead and use pay as you go with quick credits. Wow, they aren't playing around. And you can go ahead and go with the Pro Monthly, which gives you 120 credits and all the rest. So yeah, I guess for some people who do with animations, they might be interested in such tools. Personally, I'm not, but I find it interesting. They allows you to do some of these interesting animations that we see all around. So definitely check it out at paperanimator.com. And if it's something that you feel will be of use to you, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks.